Okay. Fine. So today in this video, we will see how we can see time in advanced way. Everybody knows if we see time 5:25, we know we say 5:25, we say 6:20, we say 3:30. But what is the advanced way of see time? Okay, let's check with this. So to check out the advanced way of timing, I am drawing a clock. It is 12, 6, 3 and 9. We have here also 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Is that clear? Now, here we say 5 minutes past. We say 10 minutes past. Here we say quarter past. Here we say 20 minutes past. Here we say 25 minutes past. Here we say half past. Here we say 25 minutes to. Here we say 20 minutes to. Here we say quarter to. Here we say 10 minutes to. And here we say 5 minutes to. For example, if I have to see the timing 12:10. 12:10. So I will say 10 minutes past 12. I will say 10 minutes past 12. If I have to say the timing for 1:35, so I will say 25 minutes to 2. I will say 25 minutes to 2. Is that clear? It means 12:10 means if 1:35 25 मिनट है 2 बजने में. So I say 25 minutes to 2. Now if I say 4:15, 4:15, what do we say? Quarter past 4. What do we say? Quarter past 4. Quarter past 4. Correct. If I have 5:50, what do we say? 10 minutes to 6. 10 minutes to 6. Is that clear? Whatever is going here, whatever is going here till here, we use the same in past, right? Whatever is coming after this, we move forward. We move forward. Is that clear? This is how we check the timings. Correct?